Mastering the art of organizing information in email body. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on enhancing your English writing skills. Today, we're going to delve into a very crucial aspect of email writing. That is the organizing information within the body of your email. By mastering this, you can ensure that your emails are clear, concise, and effectively communicate your thoughts. When you send an email, you're conveying a message. It's essential that your recipient understands this message quickly and easily. Organizing your information effectively will help you achieve this. It makes your email more readable, easy to understand, and increases the chance of your message being acted upon. The first step in organizing information is to break down your content into paragraphs. Each paragraph should convey a single idea or point. This not only makes the email more digestible but also allows the reader to quickly grasp each point separately. Consider the example. Dear John, I want to talk about our meeting on Monday and also discuss the new project proposal. I think the marketing plan needs some revision too. Breaking it down, it becomes, Dear John, I would like to discuss the upcoming meeting on Monday. It is important to prepare for it. Furthermore, the new project proposal is also on our agenda. Lastly, I believe that the marketing plan requires some revision. This makes it much easier to follow and understand. An effective paragraph typically follows the point, explanation, example, structure, also known as the P structure. Point. Start by making your point. Explanation. Elaborate on the point made. Example. Provide an example, if necessary, to further explain the point. By adhering to this structure, you can ensure that your thoughts are clear, orderly, and easy for the reader to follow. To guide your reader through your email, use transitional phrases. Phrases like, firstly, secondly, in addition, moreover, and, finally, can create a logical progression of ideas. These terms signal to the reader that a new point is being introduced or an old one is being elaborated on. This keeps your email smooth and coherent. And there you have it. The art of organizing information in your email body is all about structuring your paragraphs, focusing on one point per paragraph, and using transitional phrases to guide your reader. Once you master this, your emails will be crisp, clear, and highly effective. We hope this video has been helpful to you, and we encourage you to practice these tips in your upcoming emails. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.